Acura ZDX name will return in 2024 as the moniker for the brand's first EV. The company will also offer it as a sporty Type S variant. According to Acura, the ZDX shares styling themes with the Precision EV concept, which is one of the big debuts during this year's Monterey Car Week. We don't yet know which aspects of the concept might carry over to the version on sale because the designers are still finalizing the look at the design studio in Los Angeles. The ZDX will ride on the General Motors Ultium platform. Powertrain specifics and battery details aren't yet available for the Acura, though. GM indicates these underpinnings can support batteries ranging from 50 to 200 kWh in the ZDX announcement. Acura provides the first confirmation of the brand launching an EV on Honda's own E-architecture platform in 2026. The Honda badged model arrives the same year. So far, there are no technical details available about these underpinnings.